Hello everybody, today I want to share a tutorial about how to make static password at the TeamViewer. So with static password, we can remote other PC at the anywhere without need to know what the default password or dynamic password was. So okay, let's start. The first time you must make sure your internet connection is connect. So okay, try to open TeamViewer first. Okay, what your ID appear here. I want to check my internet connection. Oh, this is cool. Bad connection. Okay, no problem. No problem. Okay, try to restart my TeamViewer. Yeah, okay. Right now my ID already appear and this is dynamic password that I am said before. This is dynamic if ever you open your TeamViewer, this password will be random. So I need to make this password static. So at here there menu extras and then option and security. Yeah, at here you can type your password to make your TeamViewer static password. So I will type my password first at here. Okay, I'm already done. Type my password and make sure your password uh, same between password and confirm password. Okay, I'm post. Okay, right now, yeah, I'm already done. So with that configuration, this PC will automatically connect with that password that I'm already set up. So you just need to remember your ID so you can remote this PC anywhere with your password static. Okay, thanks for watching guys. See you for the next video. Hello everyone, if you are new at my channel, don't forget to like, comment, share, tag and subscribe. Okay, thanks.